Today I was trying to accomplish a simple task in Ironspeed where I wanted to have a fixed table header. And what I also wanted is I wanted the scroll area to change dynamically based off of the window size. And so here you can see the end product of what I was going for. You can scroll through the table and you see that the header stays fixed. And then also you can resize the window and you'll notice that this area resizes as well. So you can, so what this enables you to do is have a table that is really useful to your users where they can expand out. They could have only 25, in which case we have them all here, or let's even break it down to 10. And we just have a regular amount, but if we expand it out to 100, it's going to show as many as it can based off of the size of your window. And you can also scroll down through the results, all the while keeping at the top the table headers with the field names, which is what your users really want. So let me show you how it was exactly that I did this. I didn't use that actually. A lot of it was is this simple script here written by this guy right here, and I did adjust it a little bit. I adjusted the height here, and so his script here depends upon this script here, the jQuery table scroll. So essentially what I had to do was in my root directory I added the jQuery table scroll right here, so I just brought that right into the root directory, and you can get it from here off of GitHub. And then in the page directive of my table page, I added this with a little adjustment. So let's see how exactly I did that. So this is the page right here, and I'll show you the page directive. You can see that it's right here. It's in the page prologue. And I've just added the script in. And the one thing that I've changed is that I've, under the table scroll height feature, I'm just getting the Windows height and subtracting 250. You can set this to whatever, but 250 seems to work well. And then I also add this, I attach this window resize. I attach this function to the window resizing so that we get a recalculation of that scrollable area's height, so that it will change with the size of the window. Alright, so first what you have to do is you have to actually build a scrollable page. So I'll show you how that's done. It's pretty easy. So, I don't know why it got stuck in that there. Okay, so here I have the where I'm generating the application. I'm going to generate another page, and I've chosen the modern grid style from of the new styles. So then I'm going to click next and get on over to where I generate the page. So here you see I have one of my tables selected. And actually, I've done that one already, so I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do colors, and I'm going to choose edit and add just for the heck of it. But the most important thing is that when you have the edit table selected, you have to click on the configure and make sure that you have scrolling set to yes. So normally it's set to no, but you set it to yes, so you wind up with a scrolling page. So I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go on and generate this. So here we see the generated table as Ironspeed normally does it when you set it up to be scrollable. And as you can see, really too small for the page. And worse is that when I scroll, the part that I really still want to be able to see are my column headers. And I cannot see them. So that's what we're going to fix here. Alright, so here I am on the edit page, and I'm going to go ahead and hit configure and pull up my page directives. And what I want to do is I want to add in here my script. So I'm going to put it right on up here. Actually put it up right after here, which I just copy and pasted from where I had it on the other page. And I'm going to hit OK. And then obviously the other very important part of this is that I had put in that in my JavaScript, or in my root directory, I put in that JavaScript. So let's see what happens. Alright, and here we can see the page that I generated, and you can see that I've got my scrollable area and my column headers stay where I want them. And right now I'm displaying 100 per page, but we'll also notice that as I resize the window, this stays in place, and I'm able to scroll all my values here, keeping my column headers in place. So it works pretty nicely. Alright, hope you enjoyed that.